stop the stealing and start the keeping.
Travel to the world because we will not to kill the rise of the man. When the country
the change is in your hand. Get your PVC and let the march to the change.
I am not campaigning for Atiku. Wike tells Rivers people. Hey guys, welcome to DJ MTV, your WhatsApp channel for everything news and gist happening in Nigeria and all over the world. If this is your first time on seeing any of our video, please do not forget to hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified whenever we post a new video. Let's dive straight up into the main news. Ezenwa Wike, the executive governor of Rivers State, has said that the ongoing campaign of the People's Democratic Party in Rivers State does not involve the party's presidential candidate. According to Ezenwa Wike, the governor of Rivers State, he said no understanding has been reached between himself and Atiku Abubakar. Nyesom Ezenwa Wike, while speaking during one of the campaigns in the state that was held in Bonny, he said that the right of the people of Rivers State is in their PVC. Governor Wike also spoke concerning the presidential election, where he said that the presidential election in February 25th is a special election and in due time he is going to tell the people who to vote. He also said that the reason there is no campaign for the party's presidential candidate is because he was not asked to campaign. According to Nyesom Wike, in his words, he said, "Go home and have it at the back of your mind that the People's Democratic Party in Rivers State have taken the governorship, the senatorial, the House of Representatives and the House of Assembly election and the spaces in the state. That is the election we are doing here. I cannot force myself to campaign for you when you have not asked me to campaign." Let's take a look at the video. We'll be right back.
These are the people you vote for. Do you understand me? Yes, so for the one where they come, what am I want for that one? Do that for Judge. All of them go tell them that. And some of them, we will pepper them with our power. We will pepper them with our power. What is the power? PVC. What is the power? PVC. Anybody who says not to know the important, we will pepper. Everybody wants to know Rivers State, we know what's here. Maybe so. Nothing like propaganda, nothing like intimidation. Nobody is to intimidate us. You understand me? Nobody. We are very, very solid. We are very, very strong. No state will come carry their hand, the point of honor. Nobody feel that. Do you understand me? So it's strong to say, I'm from Rivers, I live in Rivers, I'm happy with Rivers. So, that one na special election. Do you understand me? So on a leader go sit down with her, tell her what you go do. You can not fear anything. What is more important first is our state, which we have collected. Do you understand me? Yes, we have collected our state. Since we want to see what you can support, we cannot take the support for granted. God will continue to bless you. I said God will continue to bless you. All these efforts will not be in vain. Go home and happy that PDP, Rivers State, we are taking the governorship, we are taking the senatorial, we are taking the House of Assembly. That is the election we are doing here. So, these are the people who told me to come and campaign. Nobody told me to go campaign for them. I'm not going to force myself to go campaign for you. When you never tell me, let me show. If they tell me, let me make a come. Let me show. So, if they don't know, yes, I've gone to see the Amenable and the Council of Chiefs. And I told them I'm not happy for one thing. And that one thing is because the Bonny National Grammar School, now let me say it. Hold on. PDP, we have paid 100% of that contract. Now let me tell you, so you know me well. I told the palace I'm not happy. Now, before I leave in May, we will hand over that school properly to you people. somebody said, you look at the terrain you are. Let me also say, we are doing shore protection at Long John, our Obe community. Is that not shore protection going on there? The greatest project you can have, do you know what you're talking about? To produce a governor. Can you know what that is? If you produce now we have come to say, look, we are bringing your son out. You give him the vote. Is it not true? He has no choice but to complete the ring. Not be so. Not be so. Simple thing. And this is what people will understand, that politics is no longer coming out to make rhetoric. Talk. No. Do you understand me? No. All these people who said are campaigning, let me tell you, what are they campaigning for? President Buhari said, I'm the best. Not be so. Not be so. The leader of NPC say, now we be the best. As far as development is concerned, not be so. We can compare what they want to campaign again now. This is the closest time. And Gideon and the Manu son is getting to the throne of the governor of Rivers State. Now, who is the man? Who is the man that's going to decide what will be where and what will not be where? Is it not your son? Is it not your son? What project is here and not project? But anyway, we have agreed with the farmers and they have told us that the ring road is very important for you. The ring road is very important for you. And I have told them, I will sign for it. Your son will have to complete it. Your son has to complete it.
Welcome back, guys. This is still DJ MTV Daily News Update. We've heard from Nyesom Wike, the executive governor of Rivers State. He has told the people that he is not campaigning for Atiku Abubakar because he was not asked to do so. He said he can only campaign for someone who have asked him to campaign for him. He assured the people that the governorship candidates will win the election in Rivers State, the House of Representative candidates will win their election, the House of Assembly candidates will win their election, and also the senatorial candidates will win their election in Rivers State. But while also speaking about the presidential election, which he said is in a few days from now, and also is a special election, he said they should go home, that he will communicate it to them. So guys, it's clear that PDP is in control in Rivers State. Nyesom Wike has assured them that the campaign is not for someone who has not told him to campaign for him. Nyesom Wike also talked about the G5 decision. He said, and he said that for the presidential election, he's going to get back to the people. Recall that all these issues, all this rigmarolling is about Atiku Abubakar and also the chairman of the People's Democratic Party, Iyosha Ayu, whom the G5 has said should step down for peace to reign, should step down for equity and justice, should step down so that another person can fill that vacant position. But up till now, the internal wranglings in the party have not been settled. The problem is, will the G5 and the chairman of the People's Democratic Party, Iyosha Ayu, come to terms and settle this once and for all? Just a few days to the presidential election in February 25th, nothing has been done. Nyesom Wike is just angry. The G5 is not ready to listen to Atiku Abubakar, and none of them have supported the campaign right until this moment. So guys, what do you think? Share your thoughts and comment with us in the comment section below.
So Nigerians should vote for whoever they like from whichever party. Nobody will be allowed to mobilize resources and thugs to intimidate people in any constituency. That's what I want to go down into Nigerian history for.
DJ LTV.
Welcome to DJ MTV.
DJ LTV. DJ LTV. DJ LTV. DJ LTV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJ LTV. DJ LTV. DJ LTV. DJ LTV.